my YouTube channel, you know who it is. It's your girl, Angie, Gigi, vice versa. Anyways, today is a different kind of video. We're gonna be unboxing a package. Woo! Straight from LA. Hey. I don't know what mailman was taking care of my box. It's a little rough, but it's from Belange. What's my address? Anyways, let's get to it.
I'm so excited to see what I got. From LA. I don't want to cut her label because it's like, it's kind of fancy to me.
So welcome to like my first unboxing video or whatnot. You can clap now. Cue clapping sound. She got the fancy wrapping paper too. Oh, this is so cute. It'll make me cry. The only place that we rocking with. Okay. And I got a card. Well, you just feel special, like, oh my gosh. Guys, look at this. This is a beautiful paper. And I got jewelry. Okay. We're gonna open up this first thing. It's a bonnet. I did not know I was gonna get a bonnet. Oh, I'm about to be sleeping in style. Yeah. This, I don't know what this is. Outfit number 1. About to be popping out this summer. Outfit number 2. This high quality fabric. You know, just touching it in the little corner. Belange Handmade is a French name, so put some respect on her name. It means beautiful angel. So my clothes was handmade by a beautiful angel. Okay, put some respect on it. It's a cute, simple dress that comes with a belt. What if I just put this in my hair? You know, just spice it up a little bit. Sustainable. Yup, get into it. Outfit number 1, I got a dress. Outfit number 2, I think it's a jumpsuit, but I'm not entirely sure. I'm confused. Ooh. Yes. Y'all, I can wear it like, and then wrap it around. Y'all about to see me at them barbecues. Are we having barbecues still this summer? Yo, this is a cute ass jumpsuit. I'm about to wear these for y'all. Let's pop out, you feel me? Oh, I love it. You know, Afrocentric style. You see how I'm stepping? Big purr. He called me a big purr, you know? Oh, nothing. I'm just going to the market. Get your heels on. Okay. I need a handbag. Ooh. Let it flow, baby. Could go on my waist too. You feel me? Sustainable. Different style. Easter Sunday wear. I'm loving it. My mom will like this on me. Girl, We get it. Next outfit. Get into it. Yup. There's like different ways to tie it. So that is workable. Not that we're gonna be doing that. I don't know. I'm trying to play around with it. Guys, if you see me pop out with this fit, you know what's up. It looks like a dress. It's cute. It's sleek. I love this. This one will have to be my favorite. Sorry. And the logo. Okay. Now you know who it's from. Get into it. Shout out to Belange Handmade. Thank you so much. I love this. Where's my bonnet? I'm gonna be sleeping in style. It's even satin on the inside. My long dreads is not gonna fit in this, but life made easy. The bonnet not gonna go nowhere. You know how your bonnet just be. I'm gonna leave the link to the website where we could be matching if you want to match with me in the description box. And let me not forget my earrings. These are cute. You see that? Brown and gold. That was it. I really enjoyed unboxing my package and receiving my clothes, and stay tuned for more unboxing videos in the future. Bye guys.